Why palm oil business is profitable? Do you want to build a business that pays you for a lifetime? The type of business that your plans want, and for the next 30 years you are still reaping from your labor. Then let's talk about why palm oil is one of the most profitable business in Africa today. Number one, the daily demand never sleeps. Every single day, millions of people cook with palm oil, from household use to restaurants, from local markets to export warehouses. Palm oil is literally everywhere. Where there is a constant demand, there is a constant cash flow. Number two, this product has multiple streams from multiple products. Palm oil isn't just about cooking, One single palm tree gives you the following: red palm oil for food, palm kernel oil for cosmetics and soap, palm kernel cake for animal feed, empty fruit bunches for organic fertilizer, and so much more. Broom can also be gotten from palm kernel tree. A whole lot is embedded in this singular product. Number three, it has low risk but long-term returns. This product isn't a one-time harvest crop. Once a palm tree is planted, it can produce fruit for 30 to 35 years consecutively. That means no replanting every year, reduces cost over time, steady profit every harvest season, and its price is always rising, but definitely farming into the future. Step number four, it has local and international opportunities. Now, palm oil is in hot demand locally and internationally. Countries like India, China, UK, US import red oil for food and cosmetics. Africa has the supply, and smart entrepreneurs are cashing out on this particular product. Look, if you get your branding right and your quality is good, your market will go far beyond your street. Step number five, from small start to big business. For someone that wants to start small and aim big, you can actually go into palm oil retailing. And let's discuss how you can get this done. You actually don't need millions of naira to get started with this type of business. All you need under this are your jerry cans. Scale to a depot, and from there even own your own oil mill or own your own palm kernel plantation. Whether you are a student, a salary earner, or an investor, there is room for everyone in this business. Palm oil isn't just profitable, it is sustainable, it is scalable, it's the future. If you are thinking long-term wealth, start taking a good look at palm oil business now. Start small, grow smart, and harvest wealth. For more tips on business, drop a comment if you are interested in starting this business, or type palm oil in the comment section. I'll direct you to the wait list that will help you with free training on how you can make palm oil as an investment package business. For more of this type of content, kindly follow, like, and share. We really love to have you in our next tip training section. Bye for now.